Hello, Rabbit Raisers. This is Dave here from Rabbit Empire, and today I'd like to show you exactly how you can use our Easy Rabbit Weight Tracker software to easily and effectively track and store all of your rabbit weight records. First things first, when you first receive the program CD, in most cases you can simply pop it into your computer and click on the Setup option that pops up to proceed with installing the program. If for whatever reason it doesn't pop up or you receive an error message, simply go to My Computer, click on the CD, and double-click on the setup file to proceed with installation. Installation should only take about a minute, so no worries with regards to time constraints. Once the program successfully installs, the program window will usually pop right up, allowing you to instantly use the software. If no window pops up, simply double-click on the Easy Rabbit Weight Tracker software icon that should have been added to your desktop. Now, alternatively, you can simply go to Windows, Programs, Easy Rabbit Weight Tracker software to load the software up. Alright, so now you should be looking at a program menu window with the message, Welcome to the Easy Rabbit Weight Tracker software on it, which you will see every time you open up the program. Now here, you can either choose to create a new database or load an existing database. Since we just installed the program and therefore wouldn't have previously created a database, I'll just click Create a New Database. On the pop-up window, just enter a name for your database, such as ABC Rabbitry, which I'll be using for demonstration purposes, and click OK. Alright, so now we're looking at the main software interface here, which we will be using to create and store rabbit weight records. To proceed with adding records, simply click on the File menu, and then on either the Add Individual Rabbit Weight, Add Bulk Individual Rabbit Weights, or Add Group Litter Weights tabs, depending upon what you would like to do. Now, essentially, our program allows you to store and track both the weights of individual rabbits and the weights of rabbits in groups. If you would like to store and track the weights of an individual rabbit, you can use either the Add Individual Rabbit Weight or Add Bulk Individual Rabbit Weights tabs, based upon whether or not you would like to add multiple rabbit weight entries to the database for that particular rabbit. Now, for instance, if you wanted to enter 3 different rabbit weight entries for a specific rabbit, on different dates perhaps, you'd use the Add Bulk Individual Rabbit Weights tab instead of the Add Individual Rabbit Weight tab for convenience purposes. Now, alternatively, if you wanted to keep track of rabbit weights for a group of rabbits, in a litter perhaps, and have the ability to compare their weights side by side, you would use the Add Group Litter Weights tab. For demonstration purposes, let me go ahead and click on the Add Individual Rabbit Weight tab. Alright, so on this simple tab, you can enter a weight entry for a specific rabbit. Since I haven't entered any rabbits into the system yet, I'll first click on the Add New button and enter the name or ear tag of the rabbit that I wish to add to the database. After entering the name and hitting OK, I'll select the rabbit that I just added from the drop-down menu. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just giving the rabbit the name John. Next, let me go ahead and specify the date of the weight entry, which for example purposes will be July 1st of 2013. Lastly, I'll go ahead and enter a weight and a target weight and hit Submit. Alright, now let me go ahead and click on the Add Bulk Individual Rabbit Weights tab. This tab is very similar to the previous tab, except it allows you to input multiple rabbit weight records for a given rabbit. To enter multiple weight records, you'd simply fill out as many boxes, starting with the date column, as you would like to enter weight records for. When done inputting the weights, just hit Submit. If you wish to add multiple rabbit weight records that you can compare side by side, like a litter for instance, you can go to Add Group Litter Weights, then click Create a New Group, and proceed to enter the weight data. After doing so, if you wish, you can go to Add Group Litter Weights and click on Add Weight to Existing Group to add more weights for the created rabbit group. To generate and print out records that you have added to the program, you can use Generate Records tab. Before going to generate a record, use the main screen to specify a date range for which the records to generate for. For instance, if you wanted to generate a yearly report of all weight records for an individual rabbit, you can set the start date as January 1st of 2013, for instance, and the end date as December 31st, 2013, and then go to Generate Records, then generate individual rabbit weight records. Once you complete these simple steps, a spreadsheet will be generated using Adobe Reader that you can easily save to your computer in PDF format or print out directly. Please note, to generate records, you will need to have Adobe Reader on your computer. If you don't already have Adobe Reader, simply Google Adobe Reader and you'll find a link where you can download the latest version of the program free of charge. If at any time you wish to edit pre-existing records, you can utilize the Edit Delete Records tab on the main file menu. For instance, to edit the weight record for the individual rabbit we created a minute ago, we would go to Edit Delete Records, then Edit Individual Rabbit Records, then lastly, Edit Weights. After doing that, you will see a table-looking edit box where you can change any of the existing data by double-clicking within a box, changing the data, and then clicking the Save button. If you wish to delete the entire record, simply select the row, click Delete Record, and then hit the Save button. Lastly, let me talk briefly about backing up your files. Using our easy Rabbit Weight Tracker software, you can easily back up your program files and even import them back into the program with a click of a button. To back up your program files, simply go to File, then Backup, and select a folder location that you wish to back up your files to. Personally, I'll use a flash drive to back up my records frequently. However, you can use any method you wish. To import the program files back into the program, you'll need to go to File, then Import Backup, and simply select the folder that contains the backup. It's really simple. Alright, so that officially wraps up this Easy Rabbit Weight Tracker software tutorial video. If you have any further questions or would like to send us feedback, you can do so via info@rabbitbreeders.us. Repeat, that is info@rabbitbreeders.us. All right, this is Dave here from Rabbit Empire, signing off in excitement once again. I hope you all have a great experience using our software. You can additionally find other pieces of software that we sell available via rabbitbreeders.us. Take care and good luck to you all.